The mirrorless camera world is buzzing with anticipation, and it's all because of one name, Sony A7V. The much-awaited successor to the Sony A7IV, which redefined hybrid photography with its excellent balance between video and stills, is reportedly gearing up for a dramatic entrance in 2025. While Sony has remained tight-lipped, recent leaks and insider reports have given us a detailed look into what could be one of the most transformative full-frame cameras of the year. From revolutionary new sensor technology to major autofocus and video performance upgrades, the Sony A7V promises to be a generational leap forward. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. In this video we'll explore every leaked detail, rumored specs, comparison with the A7 IV and competitors, and what photographers and videographers can truly expect. Before we dive into the Sony A7V, it's essential to understand the weight of the legacy it carries. The A7 series, introduced back in 2013, was a game-changer. With each iteration, A7 II, A7 III, and most recently, the A7 IV, released in late 2021, Sony has raised the bar. The A7 IV especially hit a sweet spot for content creators. 33MP full-frame sensor. Bion's XR image processor. Real-time IAF and Animal AF. 4K 60p 10-bit video. Yet in 2025, the competition is hotter than ever, with Canon's R6 Mark II, Nikon Z6 III, and even Panasonic's Lumix S5 IIX crowding the hybrid full-frame space. So where does Sony go from here? Enter the A7V. Brand new sensor tech, possibly stacked CMOS or global shutter. According to multiple industry insiders and leakers, the Sony A7V will debut a new stacked full-frame CMOS sensor, possibly derived from tech seen in the flagship Sony A9 III. If true, we can expect reduced rolling shutter, faster readout speeds, improved dynamic range, 15+ stops. Some wild rumors even hint at a global shutter implementation, although that might be reserved for the A9 or A1 lineups. Nonetheless, a faster stacked sensor alone would be a massive improvement. Continuing the trend set by the A7RV and A9 III, the A7V is expected to include the powerful Bion's XR image processor, an AI-based real-time recognition engine. This means next-gen subject tracking, not just eyes and faces but airplanes, cars, insects, and animals with fur. 4 hybrid shooters, this makes a world of difference. The A7IV's autofocus system was already excellent, but the A7V is rumored to take things to another level with 759 phase detection AF points, up to 120 Hz AF refresh rates, subject recognition in 3D space, improved IAF in low light and complex environments. Thanks to the AI engine, the A7V can track moving subjects with unmatched precision, even in crowded scenes or at long distances. Bird and wildlife photographers, this camera might become your new favorite tool. Sony's commitment to hybrid creators means video is just as important as stills. And the A7V seems poised to inherit many cinema-focused upgrades from the FX series and A7S III. Here's what we expect. 4K 120p,